everyone, this is Ina with Innichkachef and welcome to my kitchen. Today on episode we are making blueberry scones. I have so many recipes with blueberry, we love it. Every year we're going to pick up blueberries with my children and look how beautiful and gorgeous wild organic blueberries we picked this year. And they're so delicious and sweet, and we are making fluffy, the tastiest traditional scones. They're so good, they'll melt in your mouth. And for the ingredients we need all-purpose organic unbleached flour as always, good quality butter, and I have to mention cold. I keep in freezer for half hour before making this recipe. Also vanilla would be nice, some lemon and blueberry goes beautiful together, some plain yogurt. I'm using kefir, use buttermilk, use whole milk, use cream, whatever you have on hand, use it. Some eggs, little bit of salt, baking powder just to lift up, not soda powder, and salt, and that's about it. And blueberries, very simple, easy and quick recipe. Now place this in the freezer for half hour at least. And the last moment is to try. Look at that. I hope you enjoy this video, this delicious blueberry scones, and I encourage you to make from scratch. They're better than any bakery.